You know, come to watch Hudson. You're gonna have to sign away from because he might take you out. I see jumps over cars. I see loop de loops. Wait, does it come with cars?
Eat your rice.
There's 3 barns.
Eat your
There's a
rice.
huge jump over the city. Also, there's a jump.
Eat your rice.
Are you taking a picture?
That's dangerous.
No.
I don't know how I feel about that one.
And sit
What do
down.
we have?
Okay.
What's in that one?
I'll sit down.
Good or bad? Okay, we have some cars.
After eating noodle,
This seems like
now
okay,
is
this kind of seems like
eating
the props.
rice.
Like some motorcycles, some little ATVs, some shopping carts, a little, I don't want to call that an airplane, but a camper. So that'll be maybe like we jump over it. Ooh, we've got the monster trucks in here. We have 4 of them. Okay.